Hey, it's Lenny Wennerstrom, common sense health expert and spiritual mentor and encourager, and we are on the Brown's gas hydroxy, and it is Water Wednesday. Okay, so I want to talk about you have taken the mini course and with Brown's gas probably a few months ago, and I don't know, actually I don't know where you are at in that. It's just very, very short. I wanted to talk today just very quickly about one of the things, and I know I've mentioned this, but George Wiseman, the creator of the Albuquerque, he went to a conference in New Mexico, and he had a dark field microscopy on his blood, and the technician who ran that was very surprised because he had just gotten off a plane after 4 hours. Now, if you understand or if you know what happens with the blood, it gets all clumpy with EMFs and the radiation. It doesn't. If you have your cell phone on your wherever, even close to your body, or you're next to the router or the Wi-Fi or whatever, you have that exposure. If you have your blood looked at, you'll see that it gets very clumpy and it can't move through. It's like very viscous and can't flow correctly, which creates lots and lots of problems in the body. We are 70% water, mostly plasma water, which the Aquacure creates, that electrically expanded water. And so if we're all gunked up, things aren't going to flow correctly. So George had this dark field microscopy done, and the technician said basically she couldn't believe that he had just gotten off a plane after 4 hours. And after breathing, when he got to Albuquerque, it was a Tesla conference. I'm looking at his, if you go to the Q&A, eagle-research.com, which is where you would buy the Aquacure. I'm looking at his Q&A, and he said, first of all, he hasn't gotten sick since he started in 2005. I don't think he's gotten sick in the 3 interviews that I have done with him. I don't think he's gotten sick, and one was just like 4 months ago. In fact, I'm going to, maybe a little longer than that, I'm going to attach that to this email so you can watch that. It's about 45 minutes long, and it might be a little bit longer. So anyway, I'm gonna send that to you, but it just makes I'm gonna include the link. I'm sorry. I'm gonna include that link for you in the email, in the body of the email. But I just wanted to talk to you about how important, not just hydrogen, because hydrogen is very healing, but that electrically expanded water and all of that, it literally goes into our body and helps the body to heal very quickly. And so even if you had the Aquacure and you inhaled the Brown's gas or the hydroxy gas, even if you inhaled that 15 minutes a day, twice a day, that would be wonderful. I haven't been sleeping with it lately just because we're building. If you can see the home, we're still building. And so we're here, it's 2.5 hours from the house and taking it back and forth. I used to do that in the motorhome because we RV, and that became it just got bumped around and all kinds of things. And so it's now time to get a second one because I really love it. And but I would sleep with it, and when I slept with it, I would feel so amazing in the mornings, which I did for a long time. And so anyway, it's a beautiful way to heal. And where I was going with that is when you saturate your body with that hydrogen, which takes about 10 to 15 minutes to saturate your entire body. It's like the water, it saturates the water with the hydroxy gas. And so the water that you drink when you bubble it has all of that in it. So it's really a beautiful thing to know what you're putting into your body. And then if you can saturate your body with that hydrogen, that hydroxy, then the longer you can breathe it, consecutively, the more healing that's going to happen for you. So from scars to warts to viruses, warts are a virus. Supposedly, if you believe in the germ theory and viruses and stuff like that, wherever you are in that, it still takes care of those things because it gets your body back to back to your original DNA, your original blueprint. It's really working towards helping you to be a healthier person. So I hope that is helpful for Water Wednesday, and I will include the link to that last interview with George. I thought I had put it in there, but I was told that I was asked about it, that there was another that I was going to give another video, and I hadn't. And so now I'm giving it because I thought I had. So apologies, and I'm definitely putting that link in here, and I hope it's helpful. Remember, when you go to eagle-research.com, to use my code to save $250 off the AquaCure. So, and that code is Lenny Motivates. My name is Lenny, L-Y-N-N-I-E, like Lynn, and then I-E, and then Motivates, because I want to motivate you to do what is highest and best for you if it feels right. And I hope the AquaCure will someday grace your home, and that health graces your body, your mind, your heart, your soul. I don't think your soul needs the AquaCure, but but the rest. I love you so much. Thanks for joining me on this journey of health and wellness, and wishing you all the best, always shining my light to brighten yours. Ciao.